What if I told you that you could burn fat while eating more? Sounds like a scam, right? Well, it's not. In fact, there's one nutrient that turns your body into a fat-burning machine, keeps you full for hours, and even builds muscle while you sleep. Nope, it's not some weird detox tea. It's protein. Stick around, because today, we're diving into why protein is the ultimate fat loss secret weapon. Alright, let's get nerdy for a second. Protein isn't just for gym bros flexing in the mirror, it plays a major role in weight management. According to a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a high-protein diet can increase calorie burn by up to 100 extra calories per day. And here's the kicker. Compared to carbs and fats, protein has the highest thermic effect of food, TEF, meaning your body burns up to 30% of the calories just digesting it. Imagine eating 100 calories of protein and only absorbing 70. That's like getting a fat loss discount every time you eat. Ever felt ravenous an hour after eating a bowl of cereal? That's because carbs spike your blood sugar and leave you craving more. But protein? Total game changer. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that protein boosts leptin, the I'm full hormone, and reduces ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Translation? You stay full longer and eat less without even trying. Forget willpower, just eat more protein. Losing weight is great, but losing muscle? That's a disaster. When you cut calories without enough protein, your body steals muscle instead of burning fat. Yikes. But here's the fix. Studies from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition confirm that high-protein diets help protect muscle while torching fat. The result? You get that lean-toned look instead of feeling skinny fat. And let's be real, nobody's out here trying to look like a deflated balloon. So, how much protein do you really need? Spoiler alert, probably more than you're eating now. For basic health, the RDA suggests 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. But if you want to burn fat and build muscle, studies show that 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram is ideal. That means if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim for 82 to 150 grams of protein daily. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, we'll show you the easiest ways to hit your target next. So, where should you get your protein fix? Here are the best sources. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish, high in protein, low in fat. Eggs, nature's perfect protein source. Dairy like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, protein-packed and probiotic-rich. Plant-based options like lentils, quinoa, and tofu. Vegan-friendly powerhouses. Protein powders, whey, casein, or plant-based blends make it super easy to hit your goals. Before we wrap up, let's bust some protein myths. Too much protein will damage your kidneys. False. Studies from Mayo Clinic confirm that high protein intake is only an issue if you have pre-existing kidney disease. Protein makes you bulky. Nope. Protein helps build lean muscle, not turn you into the Hulk overnight. You can only absorb 30 grams of protein per meal. Not true. Your body processes protein throughout the day. It doesn't just shut down digestion at 30 grams. Let's dive into how protein needs change over time and why it's crucial for different age groups. Starting with children and teenagers, protein is essential for growth and development. It supports the building of muscles, bones, and tissues. According to Health Canada, children aged 13 need about 0.95 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, while teenagers require approximately 0.85 grams per kilogram. Moving on to adults, protein helps maintain muscle mass and supports overall health. For most adults, the recommended daily intake is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. However, if you're physically active or aiming for fat loss, you might need more, up to 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram, as suggested by various fitness experts. Now let's talk about seniors. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines, making protein intake even more critical. Studies indicate that older adults should aim for at least 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to preserve muscle mass and strength. This can help prevent falls and improve quality of life. No matter your age, protein is a vital part of a balanced diet. It's never too early or too late to start paying attention to your protein intake. Now that we've covered the benefits of protein across different age groups, let's wrap things up. Now that you know how important protein is for fat loss and overall health, let's talk about practical ways to incorporate more protein into your daily meals. Here are some easy tips and delicious recipes to get you started. First, consider starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast. A simple option is a Greek yogurt parfait. Just layer Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. It's quick, tasty, and keeps you full until lunch. For lunch, think about adding lean protein sources like chicken breast, tofu, or legumes to your salads. A chickpea and quinoa salad is both nutritious and protein-rich. Just mix cooked quinoa, canned chickpeas, diced veggies, and a simple lemon tahini dressing. When it comes to dinner, focus on balanced meals with a good protein source. Try a stir-fry with lean beef or shrimp, loaded with colorful veggies and served over brown rice or cauliflower rice. This dish is not only high in protein but also packed with essential nutrients. Snacks are another great opportunity to boost your protein intake. Keep it simple with options like hard-boiled eggs, cottage cheese with pineapple, or a handful of almonds. If you're craving something sweet, protein smoothies are a fantastic choice. Blend a scoop of protein powder with almond milk, a banana, and a handful of spinach for a nutritious treat. Meal prepping can also be a game changer. Cook a batch of chicken breasts, boil some eggs, or prepare a big pot of chili at the beginning of the week. This way, you always have protein-rich options ready to go. Remember, the key is to make small, manageable changes. Incorporate one or two of these tips into your routine and build from there. Before you know it, you'll be meeting your protein goals effortlessly. Now that you have practical ways to add more protein to your diet, let's wrap things up. Let's quickly recap the key points we discussed today about protein and fat loss. First, we explored the science behind how protein aids in fat loss by boosting metabolism and controlling hunger. We also learned that protein plays a crucial role in preserving muscle while you shed fat, which is essential for maintaining a healthy and toned body. Next, we talked about how much protein you actually need, with recommendations varying based on your activity level and goals. We also highlighted some of the best protein sources for fat loss, including lean meats, dairy, legumes, and plant-based options. We debunked common myths about protein, reminding you that more isn't always better and that quality matters. We considered protein needs across different age groups, emphasizing that everyone can benefit from adequate protein intake, regardless of age. Then, we provided practical tips for incorporating more protein into your meals, from protein-packed breakfasts to balanced dinners and convenient snacks. For those who want to dive deeper into the topic, we've included some additional resources in the video description. You'll find links to scientific studies, recommended books, and expert articles that offer more detailed information on protein and fat loss. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about how your body works, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your health. Now let's wrap things up. So, there you have it. Protein is the real MVP of fat loss. It boosts metabolism, controls hunger, and helps preserve lean muscle. And the best part, you don't need extreme diets or starving yourself, just eat smarter. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more science-backed health hacks. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.